Now that we've told you a little bit about ourselves as a company and what we stand for, let's walk you through some of our core product lines. Each product will have a separate video with details of what it is and how it works, but this video will give you a high-level introduction to the ecosystem of Alcorn McBride products and how they work together to make your shows come to life. First, we have our line of show control products. Starting with the original V16, we decided to build frame-accurate, ultra-reliable show control. That meant starting with hardware that was not built on a personal computer. Sure, it's easier, but it isn't as reliable. Everyone's seen the famous blue screen of death, and even as a Mac guy, I know about the spinning wheel of death. PCs are excellent tools of the trade, but they aren't the ideal platform for building something that runs your show 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year for decades, often without a reboot. We love seeing pictures of V16s in attractions with uptime counters in the years. Our current lineup of show controllers contains 4 products divided into the X Series and S Series. The S Series, built on the history of the V16 and contain numerous improvements over the V16 Pro, specifically a dramatically faster processor and a move to removable media for the show control files and firmware upgrades, a response to feedback from our customers and a demonstration of our commitment to having our customers' backs. For the X Series of controllers, our talented team of developers really turned it up another notch and gave our customers a suite of tools for developing the most technically innovative and deeply integrated attractions ever created. The new Sync Core gives the ability to synchronize other Sync Core products via PTP, NTP, GPS, Genlock, or SMPTE LTC, including from onboard to offboard with a minimum of frame accuracy. With a high enough accuracy sync signal, largely dependent on your application and network, it's possible to have sample-level accuracy from device to device. Imagine a ride vehicle where you want to play an explosion sound. It's difficult to really get the sonic impact on a ride vehicle's sound system alone, but with appropriate wayside sound reinforcement, you can really make an impression on your guests, one they won't soon forget and that they'll want to ride again and again. Speaking of onboard, our ride player takes all the power of the X Series controllers and puts it into a form factor designed and vibration tested for ride vehicles, including roller coasters. In addition to the power of synchronization with the wayside and control of any other onboard devices, it has a built-in audio player with up to 64 layers of polyphony spread over 16 channels of output in any combination, built-in 25 watts per channel amplification, bridgeable to 50, and digital audio output over Dante or AES-67. Coming back to land for a moment, we have a range of audio and video players that support anything from a single channel of HD video playback for things like museums, kiosks, queue lines, and the like, to 4K 120 frames per second 3D playback on the largest screens in themed entertainment. The bin loop series of playback carried forward the legacy of the analog tape-based bin loop devices and improved on reliability, functionality, and of course decreased the footprint of them considerably. Every generation has improved on these, and the current AV bin loop uncompressed is no exception, offering 2K per card at 60 frames per second for truly uncompressed video 444 playback, with unparalleled quality reproduction, supporting the Rec 2020 and Rec 709 color spaces. Rounding out the product line, we offer a suite of paging and intercom products that help communication between your employees, or team or cast, and guests happening, leveraging the power of AES-67 and QSYS. We have HMI devices and software that allow for building dynamic user interfaces for control of the systems you build, and I/O devices to extend the capabilities and reach of the show control into your attraction wherever it's the most convenient. All of these devices are configured and shows are developed using WinScript Live, our programming environment, made to be accessible to users and easy to learn. Most importantly, they're free and available on our website. This course will walk you through the development of several simple attraction concepts using the software, and by the end of the course, you should be comfortable branching out on your own. Of course, we're always here to offer additional support should you need it. We stand by our products and our customers.